Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is your boy Josh Sneaks. I'm back with another fire video for you guys today, and today I have the review of the Utility Black 500s. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. My goal is to get 1,000 subs before my birthday. So with that being said, let's do it. By the thumbnail and title of the video, you guys know we have the Utility Black 500s in here. So with that being said, let's get started. You do have the 500 on the box. You do have the Yeezy 500 made by Adidas branding on the side. Then you do have your size tag. I did get this in a size 10.5 on the Adidas app. I did not get these on Yeezy Supply. I actually entered the raffle or whatever. It's not really a raffle, but I call it a raffle a couple days before the release. I normally forget about these raffle until I actually saw the notification for the shoe saying that they're yours. A pair of Yeezy 500s Utility Black are coming your way. I got kind of hyped when I saw that notification. But yeah, the official color on this sneaker is actually Utility Black, Utility Black, Utility Black. That's what it says on the tag right there. That's pretty much into the box, so let's get into the sneakers. Opening the box, you do have your classic white paper, nothing too different. And then you actually have your sneakers, which I'll be showing you guys more in depth once I take them out. And we have the Adidas Yeezy 500 Utility Black. Retail on this sneaker is $200. These shoes restocked on November 30th of 2020. The official release of this sneaker was in July 2018, about then, 2018, yes. So 2 years later, these shoes restocked, which is kind of crazy. When these shoes first released, there was little to no hype on them. Then a year later, I was seeing these shoes going for about $500 or $400, between that range. Because at one point in my sneakerhead career life or whatever, I was interested in a pair of 500s. However, now that I have a pair in hand, my decision has completely changed. But at one point, these shoes were going for about $500, and at the date that I'm recording this video, these shoes go for about $350, like $400 max in this size. So that is kind of crazy, but over time they will go back up to 500 or even more. So starting off, you do have your Adidas tag right there, nothing too crazy. Yes sir, yes sir. The majority upper of this shoe is a mesh and suede upper. You do have suede on your toe area, also on the heel. This shoe would be a perfect winter shoe based on the colorway, not the materials, because if you were to wear these in the snow or rain, your suede would have been gone. Moving down to your outsole and midsole, it is in the same Utility Black. Most of the shoe is in the Utility Black, or it is in a very dark gray, as you guys can see. The toe and most of the suede is in a dark gray, but other than that, it is in the Utility Black or an actual black. And this is the reason why I dislike the shoe now. All this. On pictures, when I first saw the sneaker, I thought, oh, that's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. But in person, the outsole ruins it. The outsole is too big for the sneaker, too thick. As you guys can see, look how thick that is. I don't like that. But something that I actually found out, which was kind of interesting, the midsole and outsole is actually borrowed from a basketball sneaker, so that is something cool. But this outsole and midsole do not match this sneaker. And I can kind of see how it is a basketball sneaker, because it does have those traction pads on it. So that is kind of cool. You only get one set of laces with this sneaker, black, nothing too crazy. Moving on, you do have a black or dark gray sock liner. You do have your Adidas Yeezy Ortholite insole, as you guys can see right there. There is no boost on this sneaker. It is an Ortholite, which is pretty comfortable, but not compared to boost. These sneakers will not be staying in my collection because personally I don't see myself wearing this, or if I do wear it, it'll be like once a month, not even, probably like once 3 months or something, because it is an all black shoe, don't get me wrong, but this midsole is just ugly to me personally. But we all have different opinions, and that's pretty much it for the sneaker. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a fire video and you don't miss out any of the videos I post. So with that being said, it's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.